Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your business manager account. And this is going to be a follow-up of the previous video. In the previous video, I showed you how to boost your posts. When you are boosting your posts, the reason you are boosting your posts is so that you can get yourself familiarized with Facebook, and Facebook will get used to you, because if you do not boost your post and you go straight to creating business manager account, they may ask you to verify your business. They will be like, where is this one coming from? But if you boost your post, they have started getting used to you and they know that you have a little bit of knowledge on how to run ad, and they have also identified your business. So the next thing is you go to creating business manager account. And when you create a business manager account, you have a more robust tool. You have a more advanced tool that you can use for your advertisement. Okay. And in creating business manager account, you create it on a system. That one, you don't use phone. Whether you can use phone, I've never used phone to create business manager account before, because most of the tools are more compatible with system. Whether there is a way you can create it with phone, I don't know, but it's preferable you create it on system. And if you don't have a system, my previous video will help you. That means you have to add somebody that have a system that can help you create. You need to have somebody that have a system that can help you create for your business. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's get started. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, what you are going to do is you are going to you are going to open a new tab. You are logging in one of the tab. Open a new tab like I've done now, and you are going to type business business.facebook.com/create. This is it. This is the URL: business.facebook.com/create. And when you tap, it will take you to where you can create a business manager account. Okay, as you can see now, you can create a business manager account now. If you hit on create, here you'll be able to type the name of your business. Type the name of your business here, and your name is here. Then your email address, and make sure you have the password of your email address, because they are going to be sending a verification code to your email address to be sure that you have access to that email address. So enter your email address. If possible, you can log into a new tab into your email address, so that if they send mail, you can quickly get that verification code before it expires. And if you type the mail here and hit submit, the verification code will be sent to you. Before you do any other thing, make sure you verify it first. Once the verification code is sent to you, don't click on done. Go to the link and click on the link, because sometimes if you click on done without verifying it, sometimes you might be restricted. Okay, so make sure you verify it first before you click on done. I this account does not have a privilege to create more business manager account because my limit has reached. I've created so many business manager account. I can no longer create another business manager account again because the limit of business manager account you can create are two. You can only create two business manager account. All right, and I hope this video is going to help you. All right, so when you have created your business manager account, you will have something like this. As you can see, I have up to 7 business manager account. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in your own case, the first business manager account you have will be 1. You can create 2 at a blow. And once you have created that 2, your limit has reached. You can no longer create another business manager account again. The reason why I have more than 2 is that there are other businesses that I'm managing. So those people added me as an admin, and that is why I am having more than 2. Okay, so in the next video we will look at how we can create our ad account. There is one important video I want you to watch, and that video was created by Kelechi Anodere, and the video has helped me so much in business. And I am just going to give it to just few people to have access to that video. And if you want to be among those few people, tap that link in the description of this video and I will send you the link to the video. You take a look at it and see how it can boost your business. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.